Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Oh, I didn't mute my mic today. Yeah, awesome. Wait, let me. It's all time high today. Uh, wait. Okay. Hey. And also today we also got some construction noise from a neighbor. So I don't know when it happened, but it happened an hour ago. So I doubt we will have it again. Yeah, right now it's fine. It's Friday today, baby. Happy Friday. No, I'm not in Singapore. can you make my like profile picture with the lab, like the one you're holding? What is that called? The test tube? What is that? Yeah, today we got a pass giveaway for 5 accounts for any size, so you can use for the winners. You can use it to get a free 300k, or if you like, you can get a free 50k. Just depends on you. And as usual, we need some likes. I got some requirements to start that giveaway. Last time, how many likes we got? Last time, I forgot that. How to participate in a giveaway? First, you gotta subscribe to this channel because only subscriber can type in their live chat. And then when I start the whole giveaway, you can just type APES on the chat. Not now. I didn't start it yet, so at that time I will let you know. 150 is not enough. We do that last time, isn't it? A little bit, slightly more. Today we got. We should talk about the price first. I forgot it's a live trading stream. It's not only a giveaway stream. Well, honestly, I don't have anything to talk about. I mean, it's fucking all time high. What do you want me to do? Let's take a look at the vote. What are you gonna do with all time high? 54% want to keep going to the moon, and 23% want short, 23% want chill. I think it's gonna keep going to the moon, obviously. But I'm not longing here. Use a full part long. Well, for my evals, I'll definitely do that. I'm not gonna do that on my front account. What's your bias? I don't have bias. I usually don't have bias in London. One of the reasons is I just woke up like long ago. I don't really know what's happening. I got like read the chat first. Yesterday during New York session, who took that tray? Who took that tray with my model? I know someone from the lab took that tray using my model. Who else? No one? Come on, that's so obvious. Right? If you've been watching my live stream during this time, you definitely know I'm gonna end you there, right? Yeah, T took that, right? And well, if no one's took that, I'm not gonna explain that trade. Well, I just keep it to myself. I don't have to disclose anything. You're sleeping? You took it to TR Wong. Awesome. Terrence. Alright, I can take a look. NYAM here. So as you all know, when I'm trading the session, I use the outage gap. And I know some people think outage gap is not a thing, it's emergent, it's just support resistant, and just let them say that. I don't care. And we're at first 930. Where's 930? 930 is here. We're in the like kind of middle of the range, and obviously we got some liquidity pool here, right? It's like relative equal low, and also we got a outage gap. If the outage gap need to close, then price need to go down and clear this liquidity pool. So these two are like conference for me. So I was planning to long because like we're fucking all-time high. So of course I'm going long, but I need to wait until like price reach this outage gap, close the gap, and also strip this sell side liquidity to long. And you can look it closely. Not every time the outage gap not gonna close every time. It depends on like how large the gap is. But like obviously this one isn't large, right? And here we got a, let me see, 1 minute CB turn into a what? IFVG, right? So when candle body close, you can see that like this candle, oh shit. This candle, it closed above the IFVG, right? But it only closed like 1 point. So it's not a clear signal. When we saw something like that, we shouldn't chase, we shouldn't like enter it. Yeah, yesterday London session, no, on Wednesday London session, I make a mistake of entering before the candle close clearly above the IFVG. It's gonna happen because sometimes I switch between like 15 seconds chart, 30 second chart, and 1 minute chart. So sometimes I just like mess up. I'm not so sure what I'm looking. So I make those kind of mistakes. But you just have to know the original model is you have to enter after the candle body close very obvious like this one. So we enter here. And also we got equal high here. So for those who want to take partial or anything, you can take partial here, or at least adjust your stop loss, trail your stop loss after price clear this equal high. And then you can just hold it to the end of this buy side liquidity. Or you can like take some off with this internal liquidity. I think it's not bad too. Yeah, so it's quite clear, right? You guys understand it? What is RTH gap? It's like, bro, yeah, I have to tell that. So do you see that on the right hand corner? And when we click this, we got electronic trading hours and regular trading hours. So regular trading hours means after New York session close, the chart won't show the Asia session and London session chart. So that is the gap, like between yesterday's New York session close to today's New York session open. That's the outage gap. And if you want to find any indicator for like outage gap, you gotta use those with caution. Those to show you like where is the 25%, 50%, and 75% of the gap, because those are the key level when we use outage gap. Morning, Mass. All right, let's do a little bit more. Mm-hmm. 180. I think it's okay, right? A little bit more. We gotta evolve every time, right? You can't do the same level. I mean, we can do it. We've done that before, so definitely do that. You have the crown right now. So who's the top fan here, right? Okay, I can see it. Is that Darian? Am I pronouncing it right? Ethan? And how am I gonna pronounce your name? It's so hard. Nathan? Nathan? Sorry. So hard for me. So guys, don't let Streamlab the bot to become top fan, okay? Because Streamlab's gonna keep talking. So hard to pronounce those names. I can't do it every time. So right now, let me take a look. Mm-hmm. I have to be careful about this because this sometimes I just want to move the chat or make some annotation and I accidentally kick these two. No, I need to get it out. I want this happen. Okay, awesome. Now I'm safe now. Any position? No, not yet. I wish I can have something. And can you guys see that there's is trader fee here below? You can see that because I'm trying to use that trade syncer, trade copier, cow-based copier. I want to try that, so I don't have to open Ninja Trader. The trades I took here, they's gonna copy with other accounts, and I'll show you after the trade if I took any trades. And I just want to test it out because it's been here for a while, right? It's this company been here for like half years, and they have some issues before, but those issues normally don't happen during London session. I realized usually happen during market open, New session market open. So we're safe to use during London session. And here, so bro, we got like so many breakaway gaps here. Like we're in the premium of the range, but we got some like relative equal lows, internal liquidity, things like that. Let's take it from forwards. Yeah, got thing. Just I'm not gonna look at the chart with like normal situation because it's all time high. So even though we got so much sell side liquidity, but like I just don't want to take a shot because of that. That's why I think I didn't take any short position for like 2 weeks. I just wait for a long position. The candles look frozen right now. Is index open at 9:30 Hong Kong time? How can you Che? I just Che. That's why I didn't live stream New York session. Not I'm not gonna do that before I relocate to other countries, other time zone, because so tired. Who wanna work at night, honestly? Especially I'm not working like night shift or working for a company, right? I'm working for myself. Why would live stream during the session? Like why would I do that? Liking the stream from all the accounts. Yeah, we need more. The Che copy, you can find the Che copiers link down in the info box. I got a link. It's called Trade Syncer. The owners call that Trade Syncer, so I think it's called Trade Syncer. You can get 10% off if you use the code Candy. At first I'm not copying so many accounts as I was before because like I'm also at like kind of experimental phase with this company. But if there's any issue, I will let you know. I won't hide or anything. Right now, I think it's okay because it can do something which is Replicanto can do. So, wow, the noise. Yeah, because I don't use Ninja Trader to trade. I don't enter any trades on Ninja Trader. I just don't like that. I only use that for trade copier. You know, before that, I sold my Ninja Trader chart, right? Because I was entering my trade on Trader Bay, which I use Ninja Trader and Replicando to copy trade so you can see the trade on the Ninja Trader chart. I personally don't like using Ninja Trader. If yes has equal high at all time high and there is SMT with NQ, would you take shorts? Or will you wait yes to equal high? So I won't take any short. I won't. I mean, I know, of course, I know price gonna retrace to a certain level, but I don't want to catch that retracement. I just wait for that retracement, retrace to a level that I can long. So right now, obviously, we don't have anything because in London session, if price like move a lot, that means we miss the move. Unless it just we get a very like kind of 8% up. It can be. It can be sometime. How is that? Can you copy both TraderVia projects accounts? Only the flex users, like the highest level of the membership, can do that. So I'm using like Pro. I'm not using Flex because I want to try it first. And the Project X trade copier is like in beta stage, so I want those people to test it first. And after a while, when it like though for those also pro traders and basic level traders can use, then I will test it out. Right now, I'm just copying between TraderVay And I think I will also copy with Rhythmic. There's some platforms we can only trade with Rhythmic, which I hate it. Can you trade from Chainwheel with Chase Sinker? Yes, you can. You can hear the noise? Oh my god, it's so fucking loud. Then I think I messed up the setting yesterday. Yesterday the noise was quite loud. Can you share how to take profit at all-time high situation? I just shared the Che. I just explained to Che about yesterday New York session, isn't it? That's is kind of the situation, how you take profit with all-time high situation. Right now, I copying I think 9 or 10 accounts right now because I don't want to like copy a lot. Why at the moment I want to try it first. Yeah, conservatively. So just 10 accounts right now I'm copying. Do you still trade with Top Step? Of course not. They are shit. I'm just telling you. Don't tell me because like Top Step brand Hong Kong, this kind of shit. All Hong Kongers are using Top Step. You know, most of us got like other identities, not identities, not other nationalities. So we can trade with Top Step. But we don't want to. We fucking hate that. And they are shit. They constantly changing the rules. And they got stricter rules for live shaders. So no more Top Step. And whoever posts something about Top Step, I won't push them. Can you show SMT in the chat? If you use those SMT indicator, you can show it. I didn't use any indicator for that. Because I can't find any like good thing. I think we just swap this. What am I? I can't find any good SMT indicator, so I didn't use any one of them. And I think we can just simply use it, like see it with our own eyes. Why you have stopped posting your daily trades on XP's continue give so much already? No, I'm not doing that anymore. What's the point? I'm just attracting more haters. If you want to see my trades, you can come to my Discord. That's the only way. I'm not posting outside. And I don't have to prove to those people. They keep asking me to post payouts. I mean, I've been posting so many payouts. Bro, I mean, I've been on Twitter for a few years. So many trades, so many payouts, and they just don't look back, right? They just scroll down and with few posts and, oh, I don't see a payout. Of course you don't see it. You didn't even follow it. Of course you can't see it. Do you use Take Profit Trader? Yes. I love it. I just took a payout from them because they got daily payouts. So when for example, yesterday, I took that trade on my Take Profit Trader account. So today I can take those money out. And after I just request a payout. After a few hours, those money will be inside my Wise account just at the same day. That fast. They got really awesome like payout progress, which I like it the most. And right now, they are having 40% off with no activation free promotion. They never done 40% off. They've been doing 50% and then 40%. I mean 50% off is without no activation fee. So when they are doing 50% off, you have to pay the activation fee. So it's actually expensive than 30% off because those 30% off, you don't have to pay activation fee. And right now, 40% off, also you don't have to pay activation fee. Like, this is like the cheapest, the most like favorable for us. And I think they won't do it anymore. They only do it because of that Trader Fay and Project X thing. So they do this like huge account for us. And after this month, I think they will end this account, this discount. Is it hard to trade with intraday trailing Jordan? I think it's definitely worse than end of day Jordan. But if that end of day Jordan account got a daily loss limit, I would say daily loss limit is like worse than intraday trailing Jordan. And if they don't have daily loss limit for that end of day Jordan account, then of course I'm gonna choose them. For those platform I didn't post here, like on the banner, that means I don't recommend them. And of course, there's some like smaller platforms or like some new platforms I didn't do any research yet, so I didn't count that. So I'll take a look on them. But for those who've been here for a while, but I'm not promoting them or use them, that means I know there's something's off from them. How long you've been trading platforms profitably? Seriously? Are you new here? Are you new here? Are you asking me this question? I'm much more profitable than your mentor. Is that okay? Is that enough for you? Which is the best firm to copy Trade5 accounts? Definitely in Trade5, I would say. Oh no, today's we are Apex giveaway, so I would say Apex not bad too. Your mentor is king. You can't call him. Oh, if you're the lab member, then don't you're not like included with this thing. Okay, price sweep this high, so keep dropping right now. Let me see. I think it's sweep it with like one tick. Yeah, this candle sweep this wick with one tick, and then come down. Have you had any issues with switching to Chase Thinker? Right now, I don't have, but I know that some people having issues with New York session market open. But like for real, on me, I don't have any yet. But if I have, I will tell you. Right now, it's fry. You guys can hear the noise, right? I can't do anything with that. I'm trying my best here. You know, I'm using the best mic. Do you consider short today? No. If you were in short, where would your TP be right now? Why would I be short? Now, what's the reason for shorting at all time high? We all know price gonna retrace, of course, for sure. But do I really have to catch that retracement move for what? Many post lots of payout but secretly are gamblers. For real. That's true. I thought that about, like mentioned it. There's the people posting the chart without stop loss. Just so funny. And then they show how many money they made with this trade. Like, what's the point? You're just telling us you're a gambler with that chart. And they can't explain their trading model. That's the point. You gotta have some logic, right? You can't just say it's price action. Of course, it's price action. Who doesn't trade with price action? We all ICT traders trade with price action. But what exactly is that? They can't explain it. Where is the link? You can click the info box. I think I have all the links inside there. And for those who may not know yet, I'm also having another giveaway from Tradeify now in this month. So to check the details, you can go to the post session on my YouTube channel. I think price might want to come into this week. So I take a look on the votes. It's still 19% want to short. Oh, it's not wrong. I mean, if you trade with eval, you can actually do anything you want. So it's not exactly wrong. But of course, if I'm trading like real money, like for example, even for sim fund account, it's those money is something you can take it out, right? So I would consider them as real money. I want to risk those real money, but for eval, those are fake money, right? Yeah, just do anything you want with them. If you use my code for take profit trader, do we get no activation fee also? Of course, of course. So like for a 50K account on take profit trader TPT is like $100, $100 right now, $102. So it's like $100 for 50K. I think the Discord link is also down there, isn't it? Yeah, it's down there. Read it carefully. Are you shorting? No, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting from all-time high. And I don't feel like I'm missing anything because of course price is gonna retrace. It won't keep going up, but like I just don't want to engage with that retracement. Is Jack here? Is our trader Jack here today? For the 1,000 times, it's not short for the sake of God. You're right. You're right. I mean, maybe they think, am I gonna took this trade? If we are not all time high situation, I'm just like imagine we are not in all time high situation. So, price with this high with one take, and since I will take a look on like 15 seconds. Yeah, so this is a 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute CB, like BC. So we can use it as IFVG. But there's another point is we are so close to the minor sell side critique. So actually when we enter after candle body close, we're entering here, right? If we took this trade, obviously we won't. And here is too close to the minor sell side critique, which I don't like. So I probably won't take it. Yeah. Because not every time price gonna go down here to clear this. Sometimes price just clear this out minus security and then keep going up. So if I enter that close with this one, then just not worth it. I would say not worth it. So I don't think it's a trade that I would take, even for we're not during all time high situation. You just bought one TPT with my code. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's for real. It's really one of the most one of the best platform I saw. I mean, they got some issues for their customer support for real. But they're improving, and it's quite important. You can see the platform is like changing rules for better to be like benefits the traders, or the platform is changing rules to benefit themselves. That's the difference, right? And for like take profit trader, they are changing rules to benefit us. For example, they got daily loss limit before, and now they don't have it anymore. And before they have intraday challenge drawdown for live trader, and they don't have it anymore. It's become end of day drawdown. So they are like keep doing better for the traders. That is something we should be like appreciate. And also for Apex, I keep like getting payouts from Apex, not because I'm affiliate or shit. Why like long before I'm affiliate, I got payout from them. So Apex had its own pros and cons. You know, obviously the benefits is we can scale with 20 accounts, right? And obviously the bad thing is we got so many rules. So it just depends on you, I would say. If you can accept those complicated rules and you want those 20 accounts scaling, then of course we're gonna use Apex because there's no other firms can do what they are doing. Yes, TBD customer support is sucks for real, and I can that's a trick to let those customer support reply you faster is you can use those. What is that? I don't know how to explain it. So here, can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see that. Use this one. Use this to contact their customer support, and they will reply you faster. I don't know why, but they are doing that. That's the trick to reach out to TPT customer support. Ah, you saw that UFC? Yes, tomorrow. Is that tomorrow or is it Sunday? We got UFC 318, bro. It's probably the last fight for Dustin Poirier. I gotta watch that. you know, before that, I used to bet on UFC fights, and I lose lots of money on sports betting with UFC. So I'm not doing it anymore. I almost bet with every fight I watch. So it's like betting every every week. Who's your favorite fighter? Um, Alex Pierre. But when I talk to my sister, my elder sister, like what will you do when you're like free or on weekend? I talk about I watch UFC or and she didn't believe me. She feel like I'm talking shit. I don't know why. The same person that want me to clean up his house, her house, the same person. You want to pay me a few hundred to pay to clean her house. Will you do a bet today? No, I can't do that. It's I didn't mention it before, but actually in Hong Kong we can't use crypto anymore, cryptocurrency. So when Bitcoin is all time high, I can't do anything with that. Fuck that. And before that, when we can use cryptocurrency, I will use crypto to bet on like those USD fight because like the online casino thing, we can use that. We can only try that with crypto. Right now, I can't even use crypto, so I can't bet on that. I'm not a gambler anymore because I can't bet on those UFC fights. So I want to do that though. And be honest, I lose so much money on betting those fights. So probably it's a good thing for me to not using crypto anymore. It's not VPN. I can't have any account on any crypto exchange because of the nationalities. That's crazy. Because you get to verify your identities right with your ID card, things like that. Team Israel? You Team Israel? No. Do you like your sister? What kind of question is that? What kind of question is that? Do you like your sister? What? I don't hate her. Okay, I don't hate her. Borrow the account from someone. Okay, we're still here. Today price action is slow. I'm gonna see if price gonna come down. If price let me think. Well, I need price to at least with this sell equity to consider if we have any setup. At least this one. And also we got Asia low here. We'll see. I mean, because sometimes I also trade New York session, So sometimes I would think maybe it's not necessary for me to force a trade during London session. If I don't think it's like a favor on me, this favor on me, or I have any edge. Yeah, I don't want to see price go down there too. It's gonna be wild. But like, yeah, wanna just wait and see if we got something special here. So right now we only got 135 likes. We still need 50 more to start the giveaway. If we don't get it, when I close the stream, then we don't have giveaway. I'm probably gonna close it like after 3, maybe 3:30 or 4. We'll see. Spam the likes. On the last YouTube stream, uh, sometimes I get dislike on the video, right? And I'm okay with that because everyone have their own opinion. But I think I understand why they dislike that video because they copy my trade, and I was taking 2 losing trades at first, right? And then the third trades were a winning trade, but I cover all the losses and also make more money with that trade. But um what I think is those people, when they copy my first 2 trades, they're oversizing, or probably they didn't use any stop loss. So they lose a lot more than I was. Like, for example, I'm calculated risk with standard size, right? And they are not doing that. So they are losing more. So they probably lose their account when I took those 2 losing trades. And or they lose more that they can come back with that the third winning trade. That's what I think. Because why would I think that? Because I've done that before. When I first started trading, when you first started, of course, you're not good, right? So you want to learn from someone, and the fastest way is to copy from someone. So I would love to copy some trades from those people I watch the live stream, but I only copy their execution, but I didn't copy with their risk management, risk tolerance, position size, things like that. So I mess up myself. That's I assume some people may do that on my stream too. So I just want to let you guys know, if you really want to copy any trades, you have to make sure you got the same risk tolerance and risk management like me. For example, I'm using 12 points stop loss and 11 points stop loss for that 2 trades. And if you are using more, like 20 points or 30, or you are oversizing like 5 minis, then you lose a lot more. Then it's hard to come back. If you want to copy my trades, please copy the exact same. Don't just copy the execution, but also the risk, because it's important. But I'm not like recommending you to copy my trades. I'll say, if you want that, just be careful with the risk. Do you think it's shameful to copy someone else's trade? If you're a beginner, I can understand that, honestly, because just everyone done that before when they just started. You just because like copying is actually a method of learning. It's just imitating someone else action, someone else mindset, right? But you can't do it forever. Just one day you gotta make your own decisions, like, how am I gonna execute this trade, how to manage the trade, am I gonna let it run or just end it here, things like that, right? So you won't do it forever. Just a short period of time when during your learning process. You really don't need any more than 5 micro or 1 milli, honestly. Well, of course you don't need it. because like even from one micro you can make money. As I always said, Michael's contract is also okay. Price going up. Michael's contract is also a tools to make money. So I'm not like against people using Michaels, but I'm just saying those who can only use Michaels are not that good. You know what I mean? You can use that. We all can use that. And especially for live streamer, you're like showcasing your trade online, right? You want people to learn from you, but you can only showcase with Michaels. What does it mean? It means something, isn't it? It means you can. There's something you can do. What is your recommended position size to trade for 50K account? It's just honestly gonna depends on your trading model, because some trading models require a larger stop loss. For example, for me, if I use silver bullet or 2022 model, I need a larger stop loss. Definitely 12 point is not enough. That's on me, right? So if I trade those model on a 50K account, I'm going to need to use smaller, for example, 1 mini after before building the buffer. Then after building buffer, I can like go back to 2 minis or more. So there's no such thing as like standard position size for 50K account or 100K account. Depends on your trading model. And for those who don't like to pass any evals, they would love to use like strict to funder accounts, right? And if I buy S2F account, I will buy 150K because I don't have to afraid of like failing the evals. I don't need that process, so I will just buy the largest account size. But like I think most of the S2F account got 20% consistency, which I think is quite like too low for me. That's why I don't really like to use S2F. But if like those 20% consistency rule isn't a thing for you, then I think you're fine to use that. You're in the eval and need another 800 past the eval. Can I size up now? 25K, but like 25K, I don't know how much showdown you got with 25K. It's this account size is too small. I honestly don't recommend anyone to buy 25K. I know it's cheaper, but like it's too small. For real, too small. Are you open to loans? No, no. Like you can see that we got a equal high here. I need to mark it. Right? Yeah, I know the noise is back, so I mute the mic. Who do you think will win? I'm a fan of Diamond, so of course I want him to win. I mean, and I think this fight is gonna be his retirement fight. Though he talked about retirement many times, but like Horror is like is a savage. So um, get I don't have to bet on any of them. I wish does team win. I wish that's what I wish. This is a equal. Use AI noise cancellation. Do you really think I can understand how to manage all these technical thing? I can't even edit a video. I don't. I can't. It's too hard for me, bro. I'm not. I wish I'm like much more good at those tab thing or computer thing. I'm not an IT guy though. Is there someone who pretend me and message people in Discord about? Yeah, that's scammer. I mean, I think that scammer use another account to get in, and then use another like pretending me account to DM people. So I can't find that guy. And I think I'm gonna kick out some inactivity user, you know, in the weekend, so I can like kick those scammers out. Oh, Jack is here. You're finally here. Welcome. We need you. We need your insight. Jack, tell us what to do right now, please. We got Trader Jack in the house. Woohoo! Are you waiting for a channel to launch? No. I'll see what we got right now. I don't have any potential setup or trade idea right now. I'm just like trade reading at the moment. Nothing you can do cannot. Right. That's right, right? Cancel. Yeah, Jack. Thank you. You know, every time Jack is here, then I feel more confidence about my trade idea, my thought on the market. Because he's professional, right? And if my ideas are like can align with Jack, then I'm sure I'm correct at the moment. Chat, chat. Streamlab is the top fan of this chat. Abort talk more than you guys. Abort talk more than all of you. Which level would you consider alone? They're asking Jack, our professional trader Jack. How about short to midnight open? Oh, I forgot to open. Turn on this indicator. I'm sorry, Ollie. Okay. You're here. No position is position. Right. Well, I if I see any stuff, I would love to take a trade because I got everything ready. You can see I got the trade copy already. I log in my account on the trading view chart. I was planning to take some trades, but like until I saw some potential, I can't do anything right now. You're looking at 63.25. Wow, that's so low. 63.25 is like where is that? Here, here. Okay, here, right? Here. Wow, that's. I don't think it's gonna happen during the session. I don't think so. Yeah. If this happened, then we got something big, something like war news or Trump news to get to here. Nothing happened now. Yeah. I'm glad today is a giveaway stream. So at least we got something to do. I mean, even though we can't spot any good entry point right now. Okay, the noise stopped. Awesome. After I said the noise stopped, it resumed again. You don't trade gold. I used to trade, but not anymore. I just exclusively trading one asset right now. You feel London is good to trade because Trump is sleeping. I remember once. Oh yeah, it's not Trump. It's China. Right. There's something like China said to Trump, and it was happening at 3 a.m. Eastern time. So we got a fucking large bearish candle at that time. You're in long, so TR1 is in long. Are you long in NQ or Go? We need we need 20 more nights. We are like currently 162. So if we didn't get it until I close the stream, then we don't have giveaway. The bot is the bot is still top fan. The top fan, one of the top fan. Jet, you just come here for the giveaway, not come you not come here for me. Oh my god, how can you do that? We ain't coming for you then. I know it. Of course I know it. You come here for a giveaway. For free I can. Of course I know it. You joined the lab for me? Oh, for really? Appreciate it. So for those who learn more education content, you can um, join the lab through the link inside info box. I think I will have my model posted inside next week. I owe you guys nothing but my love. Jack, why every time Jack says something, the board we bring? Yeah, I think my board hates you. What did you say? For real, what did you say? Long, bro. Like, I I mean, of course, I know if I took some trades during live stream, I can pump up the views or likes or any other thing, right? Of course, I know that, but I also want to like showcasing not to take random trades. And for example, if I took like for few micros, those micro traders, on live stream, I mean, I can talk anywhere I want at any time because it won't hurt me. It's a micro. It's one micro, right? Sometimes I saw people check taking one micros. I mean, it's okay to trade with micros, as always said, but like, then why are they like posting on Twitter? They said it's NQ when the chat is showing MNQ. Just so funny because they themselves know actually it's better to show an NQ trade. That's why they said it's NQ, not MNQ. Isn't it? They just prove that. All these people here just want to see Chase. Whoever Chase here is fucking dumb ass. I'm just telling you. Haven't made any Chase yet. If I Chase here, bro, you shouldn't watch my live stream because I'm stuck in trading. For real. I don't trade 10 minis. I start with 2 minis. And sometimes I scale up, but like I won't scale up to like 10 minis. It only happened when I'm like I need to pass a 150k account evaluation, then I would use that. But like for fun account, I won't do that. Maybe later, like when I like trading a large capital size, I will scale up. But like right now, since most of my accounts are 50k, Even for the maximum I can use is 5 mini. Most of them want me to push buttons. Yeah, I won't do that. I'm not an idiot. And when I push button, where the hell are you guys, right? For those who keep wanting me to like took some chase. You shitting with pants in 10 minutes? Okay, we're coming for the midnight opening price right now. You're teaching us patience with your brilliant holding of. I learned from ICT. I learned from ICT. That's what he would do. Have you tried that during the no. I've never traded that before, so I don't think I'm familiar with this asset. No, I like for my whole life, my whole financial industry, my whole financial career, I've never tried that. So you're a micro believer. I would say a believer, kind of like too huge, too much for me. Like I mean, he got his own like personalities, right? And I'm sure not everyone's gonna like it. And sometimes he did say something that I think is not really appropriate. But uh, at the same time, I did learn a lot from him. And also, he's doing this for free. Like back then, when I started learning from him, I'm not making a lot of money. So if he is selling those knowledge with like expensive cost, I can't afford to buy it. But he do it for free like almost every day at that time. He gets live stream, live commentary, post on his YouTube channel or also a Telegram channel. Right? It's all for free. And for those who just started trading, who we don't have much capital to pay for those courses, this is the way we learn, and we learn for free. And the way he done, like nobody done like him. Like he explained every candle printing on TradingView. Like for example, here we got a new candle printing, and what are we wish this candle to add, and then how this candle become what will change his mind. Things like that. He just explained it all. Not just this is the trading model, this is the risk management, you use that. Not just that. Right? He literally explained every candlestick. And I didn't see anyone doing that. You can't stand Michael shitting about his dog and son in video. FSP. What is FSP? What is the like the long form from for FSP? You're actually here for free knowledge and setups, not for giveaways. Awesome. That's great. Appreciate that. Um, well, for me, like you guys know, I watch a lot of live streamers, right? During New York session, I'm not planning on copying their trades. I mean, if I watch free live stream at the time, how can I copy their trades? Because they're doing different trades, so and it's impossible to copy trades. I watch them to like want to understand how they think about the market at that moment. For example, seeing this prior session, what other ICT traders would think? Are they gonna have similar thoughts as me, or they gonna have opposite? But sometimes maybe I miss something. It is possible. For example, if I just watch the chart like that, then I will miss some liquidity here, right? Because I can't see it, and I didn't remember that I have to look at the left hand side more sometimes, so I will miss those liquidity. And watching those live stream can remind myself to like take a look on everything. Who is it? I saw him on YouTube. I think I saw it before. I've never watched his live stream, so I'm not so sure. Is he a ICT traders? Do you take counter bias trade ever? Um, I usually don't have bias, but if you're saying like counter trend, well, actually, my model is kind of counter trend because it's taking reversal trades. Do we sweep this equal? Let me take a look. It's not sweeping. 講耶穌邊個 FSP 定係邊個 ICT？ Why people only care about scalping? Well, you can definitely become diamond hand. I remember I took some trades like for futures. I took some trade for like 8 or 9 hours. I hold it like a trade entry at the session and hold it until like long time. And for forex, I will hold it overnight, like when I'm trading like swing trades. You're no longer interested in this price action. I want to see how low the price can go. Oh, Jack's gonna go take care of his kids, so he's leaving. Thank you for coming. We appreciate Jack's insight. Goodbye, Jack. I'll see you inside this call. So right now here we got a huge 1 minute CB. We will see if it gonna turn into a FVG, but since we still got a very obvious liquid pool here, I'm not gonna do anything until price with this liquid pool. What about giveaway? Right now we're 175 likes, so you know what I mean. Jerry is going to bed? Oh my god. You're gonna miss the giveaway. Sometimes the noise from my mic sounds like a cow. What? And let me see. Wow. If price tape into 5 minute create a IF would be in short. Well, good luck then. What? You mean the cripple is this one is with on Top Step X chat? Well, we all know Top Step X is shit, isn't it? I thought you guys already know that. I've been mentioning so many times. It didn't sweep on Trader Bay, so also Trading View. It's not yeah, the noise is the builder using Geo next door. It's actually I think 4 upper than my 4. But it's still so loud. She playing GTA on the other screen? No, I don't play GTA. I just bought the Switch 2 2 days ago. I'm trying it. Do you guys have any games to recommend for me? Like, I don't like those competitive games. Like I have to compete with others. What is it? Mario Kart. Oh, I already got Mario Kart. Ah, okay. I know what's that. We got SMT. Let me see. Do we? Wow. It's a strategic game. You pick a country and conquer the world. Or I will look into it. New Donkey Kong. Overcooked. I've never played Overcooked before. For real. I know it's famous. It's popular. Chat. Finally, after 1 hour and 26 minutes, we got to 180 likes. See, I know we can do that. Of course, we can do that during the stream. So, it's time for a giveaway. Let's do the first one first. Because I know you guys like been waiting for that, right? Uh, okay, here. Can you see that? Type A pass. Type A pass in chat. Yeah, we need some time to type A pass to chat. After you typing in the chat, your name should be here. You'll be showing here on the participants list. Okay, while you're typing, I'll let you know. All right. Okay. People still coming in. So I'm going to choose the first winner of the Apex account. So I gotta say it one more time. The account you can use it on any size and any trading platform. So if you would like it on a 300k, you can get a 300k. If you want a 50k, you can get 50k. If you want it on World Chart, Rhythmic, or Tradeaway, just up to you. Okay. Is that now? Kalito? I don't know how to pronounce it. Forever. Just type something in the chat to claim your prize. Our first winners here. Congratulations. So to get the prize, just gotta type something in the chat first. Or if you want him to not be here. Oh, he's here. He's here. Or she. Congratulations. So just say one more time how to claim the prize. Take a screenshot of your YouTube account to make sure it's you and also post it with your email address in Discord. Then I will send you an email after the stream. Okay? He claimed it already. And if someone's not here, didn't claim the prize, then it will move to another one. It will give out. Oh, where is that? Okay, right now. So, did you take any trades in this session? No. I didn't see any potential setup. Nothing. And price didn't sweep this that equal row too. So, I'm about to start the second one. We got 5. So, we only have 1, right? We're choosing the second winner here. Five handles. Oh, congratulations. 5 handles been here for a long time, right? Always on my stream. Congratulations, 5 handles. Type something in the chat. Awesome. I just want to keep an eye, and I don't want to miss anything here. So we keep going up. Mm, yeah. SMT on 1 minute on yes. Yeah, but like we got a very obvious the cripple here. I wouldn't want it too long here at the moment. Let's choose the first winners. I know you guys been waiting for a long time, so don't want you to spend too much time on it. Now we're choosing the first winner. It's totally random, huh? I didn't do anything with the lucky draw. GMAT. Congratulations, GMAT. Type something in chat, please. And for those, we still got two more to choose. For those who didn't win it today, no worries. We still have like more giveaway coming up, and also got another Cherify giveaway ongoing. So no worries. There's always be another chance for you. Can you scroll list here? If you type Apex in chat, you should be here right now. So we're choosing the fourth one. Fourth winner. Who is it gonna be? Guys, it's easier to win a giveaway on my live stream because we don't have many people here. Vickers. Vickers Kuma. Congratulations. This name sounds familiar. I think I saw it before. Type something in chat. You don't have many rivals to compete with in this giveaway. It's just 100 more people. So actually you get higher probability to win a giveaway. Oh yeah, the Chris we got the final one. We'll wait a little bit. Finally, the Chris Whip. And before choosing the last winner, I just want to say one more time that about this another giveaway. So we have this giveaway. The price is for 50k account and 200k Golf accounts from Shadify. How to participate is whoever use my code Candy to purchase any Shadify account in July can get entry to this giveaway. And for those who purchase during July 14th to 31st, you'll get double entries for an extra winning edge. And after you purchase it, just submit the Google form, about your account. Then you can participate. And I will announce the winners on first week of August. We will see if price want to hit the A shadow. We are currently um, inside the end dot, new day opening gap. And just one more time, to how to claim the price. Okay, screenshot of your YouTube account, post it with your email in Discord. Now we're choosing the last winner. The last one. The last one. Good luck, everyone. Woohoo! Okay, last one here. Type something in chat. Congratulations. You will receive an email after you enter everything. So I'm glad today we can show some winners for a giveaway. So although it's like just a eval, but I do know some of them who use this free account to get some payouts. Some of them did get some payouts from this giveaway free account. So it's still working. Like you can make money without paying any costs. No, yeah, okay, you can share it in trading chat, no problem. And yeah, since the giveaway is finally finished, appreciate everyone here today. Just a reminder, right now Apex is doing 80% off for the eval. So and I currently have 20 accounts with them, and I also got bunch of eval because they increased the price right recently. So there's some evals I bought like last month or month before, so I can use a cheaper price with them. So I continue paying those evals for like bet up, just like Tradify. Tradify I got 500 accounts and also 5 past eval for bet up because that's what I like. I feel like more secure to have some backup accounts. So I got like a lot of accounts with Apex right now. I'm not just like promoting it, I'm literally using them and getting paid from them. You don't have to ask anymore for this. I don't, maybe right now you guys can keep an eye with this like CB 1 minute CB, see if it's gonna turn into an IFVG. This one looks good too, but like this one is larger, so I think if I have to use, I will use this one. So you guys, if you want to use my model Che, you can keep an eye on this. And I think I am done for today. Right now, since an hour for 40 minutes, right? Pretty much enough for a live stream. Appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next week. Remember to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification so you won't miss any live stream. So you guys know that I just sometimes turn on the live stream suddenly. So if you don't want to miss it, remember to turn on the notification. And also, if you want more communication or information from me, you can join the Discord. Thank you guys. See you. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend.